Hello, and welcome to Festool TV. My name is Frank. Today's episode is about the CS70. As many of you know, you often have to rework pieces at a construction site. I often don't get a clean cut on the opposite side here. The top side is not generally a problem with table saws, but the bottom likes to splinter. If I need a clean cut on both sides, a solution would be useful. With the CS50 and 70, we have this. We have a small splinter guard. It's built into the saw. This greatly reduces splintering. I'll now show you how it works. But first, I'll make a standard cut to show you the difference. I'll need to position the preset profile setting rail for this. My workpiece is a coated MDF panel. We'll use a trapezoidal flat-toothed saw blade. It's especially suited for plastic-coated surfaces. The color coding for this blade is red. I'll switch on the machine. Now I'll make the first cut. You can see how nice the edge on the top is. The problem is usually on the reverse. Here you can see the little splinters. Let's see if we can't do it better. So first, I'll loosen the panel. Before I open the machine, I must first disconnect it from the power supply. I'll loosen the clamping screws at the back. Then remove the lid. This here is the clamping screw. At the front of the saw is a small flap. I'll press this down. Now I can insert the splinter guard. If the saw blade is too high, I have to correct this by pushing down, as the splinter guard is only activated if it's bedded in. This means I'll turn the saw blade up when the machine is running so the splinter guard is pressed against the cut. The principle is clear. This creates a slight counter pressure here that prevents the coating from splintering. The coating is pressed against the workpiece by the counter pressure of the splinter guard. The splinter guard is inserted. I'll put the lid back. Now, I'll cut into the splinter guard. I'll leave the guard up so you can see the process better. Let's switch on the power. And take a look at the workpiece. No problem on the top. The reverse is much better than before. You can see a better cutting result here than on the other side. With a small splinter guard, we can get very good cutting results for these applications. You also see a far better result for trim cuts and cross cuts in solid wood. You can use the splinter guard on veneered panels that you want splinter-free cuts on both sides. I hope you enjoyed the video. I look forward to seeing you again. See you next time.